Had enough of wasting your precious, ultra-expensive caviar on the standard caviar dishes? This video will show you how to make a completely different caviar menu. Let's start. Beer topped with beluga or salmon caviar. It's even tastier than it looks. Mango slices topped with the finest caviar and a bit of sour cream. Melon wrapped in prosciutto, topped with caviar. The perfect caviar dish to share with your friend at the beach. Steamed dumplings filled with caviar. The absolute caviar dish to celebrate your graduation ceremony. Beef meatballs and caviar rounds in a fresh baguette. Show your company management your culinary taste with this terrific caviar dish. Ground beef, bechamel, and caviar lasagna. The perfect caviar dish to enjoy on basketball game night. Freshly fried churros with caviar dip. Vanilla ice cream cones topped with an umbrella of caviar. Be sure to take before and after pictures if your kids try these ice cream cones at the beach. Tropical fruit shake topped with a blanket of caviar. Mix it all together before dipping in. Liked our caviar menu? Share your review in the comments.